Happy 70th birthday, Wawa. More birthday to come.
Hello po, Wawa. Happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. Miss na miss ko na po kayo. Salamat po sa pagmamahal ninyo sa akin na kahit minsan lang tayo nagkikita. Lagi niyo akong naaalala, lagi niyo akong nakukumusta. Ngayon pong ika-7th birthday niyo, na may madami pa pong birthday ang dumating sa inyo. At more blessings pa po. Ingat po kayo dyan lagi ni Wowo. God bless po.
Happy 70th birthday, Tita. May God bless you always. More good health and long life.
Hi Ed! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Hindi na naman ako makapunta dyan dahil alam mo na wala akong makasama. Gustong gusto ko nga maka-attend sa birthday mo, BFF. Sana bigyan pa tayo ng mahabang buhay para magkita-kita tayo muli. Again, happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Edna. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng iyong tulong sa akin, sa aming mga pari, pati na rin po sa simbahan. May God reward you 100-fold. Prayers for your good health, for long life, for peace, for joy, and more blessings. Sayang po at sasayaw sana tayo ng hawak ko ang beat, pero dito na lang po ako sasayaw ng hawak ko ang beat.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat sa ilaw.
Kayo po ang may hawak ng beat sa araw na ito, Ate Edna. Happy birthday po. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Edna. I wish I could be there to celebrate and serenade you on your 70th birthday. But nevertheless, we thank the Lord for the gift of your life and the gift of your person. Sigurado ngayon, masaya ka as you are surrounded with many good friends and fellow workers in the service of the church. I pray that God may grant you always good health, peace, strength, and many more meaningful years of dedicated service, filled with love, family, and of God's abundant grace. So, happy birthday once again, and enjoy.
Hello, Ate Edna. Happy birthday. I'm praying for your always a good health always, and also a happy life together with your family and also the friends around you. More blessings, especially blessings that would bring us more closer to God and also give us strength na pusog pa sa pagserbisyo sa simbahan at pagserbisyo sa Ginoo. Salamat kaayo sa imong presence, sa iyong service, sa iyong love, especially sa ating simbahan, sa ating parokya. Rest assured always of our prayers sa iyo, not just this time sa iyong birthday, but always rest assured of always of our prayers always to you and to your family. So ulitin, happy birthday sa iyo, Ate Edna.
Hello, happy birthday to Ate Edna, and thank you for the many years of your faithful service to the church. Your dedication, Ate, together with your husband, Kuya Giovanni, has been a true blessing to the community. Maraming salamat po sa biyaya ng pagkakaibigan at your generosity. May God, both of you, bless you good health and joyful, peaceful life. God bless.
We, from your lovable group, the Rosary Heights Finance Council, wishing you all the best on your 70th birthday. Happy birthday!